Today on the Lug Nut, I'm going to show you how to remove a transfer case from this here old square body. Alright, one of the first things I like to do is get rid of that bottom skid plate so when we drop all the fluid out of this thing, it doesn't create a colossal mess. Instead of dropping the fluid and then messing around with the flange, because there's nothing really dripping here anyways, well, I guess there's a drip there, but you know, nothing pouring out in your way, you could just pull that flange right now and it'd be a heck of a lot easier. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this speedo sensor. You can see there's actually, because of the LF swap, it needed a signal for the speed for the ECU so that it knows when it's actually in motion. So that's actually a Dakota digital unit that's tied in with an adapter and whatnot. So it works pretty good. Alright, so that's the speedometer gear, and that's the little extension deal that goes through to drive the actual speedometer adapter. Looks good. All that is a shift fork pad, and nothing metallic came out on that magnet. Odds are we're going to be in good shape for a simple rebuild. Alright, so now at the back here we're going to rip this drive shaft off, and when we do it we're going to show you real quick tip about making sure this U-joint is usable again. This U-joint, this rear diff, all that stuff was only put in about 4 or 5 months ago, and it really hasn't had any serious use, because after it blew up the 10 bolt and put this 14 bolt in it, this little semi-floater, I think I did the transmission next after I did the diff. Built this new 700 R4 for it. Yes, I know, 700 R4 behind an LS, I get it. There's a reason, very good reason, and you'll have to subscribe to the page in order to figure out why exactly the guy wants to put a unsophisticated transmission such as something. One of the little trick just to make sure that these caps don't come off, get all contaminated, because they always do. You can just take a little bit of tape and of course this isn't a this is just something that's good to remember to do actually. before I pull this drive shaft out, I like to clock it so that this cap is, or the actual shaft is going to hit the ground when I pull it out, not the caps. And then what it'll do is it'll slide the unit out, and instead of letting that seal surface on the slip yoke hit the ground, I'll take it off, I'll put a rag over it, and I'll tape that up as well. Got a little cutter pin there to pull out so that your shift linkage will come undone. What we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of support underneath here. We don't have to do a support on the actual transmission, as we did not remove the transmission cross member. This just seems like a device that's just born to like make you like walk around like this. It's like, oh, what were you doing? Oh, I was pulling a tranny. Oh, you were using one of those tranny jacks. It's like, yeah, that seems safe, but hey, I'm not an engineer. This strap just lulls you into a false sense of security. Our way back up. I don't like to do the bottom one last. I really don't like having my fingers underneath things in the event in which they have a desire to fall on my fingers. So, neat little thing that a mechanic friend of mine in Calgary, Tyrone, showed me. These ratchet wrenches from Gear Wrench. See, this side is smooth. See, that side has knurling on it. So if you want to remove, that's your force side. So to take a screw off, you push on that side, it's going to be locked. You push on this side, it's going to ratchet. So that side's smooth, ratchets. That side's knurled, it locks. Even through a pair of gloves, you can tell. Alright, that is it. Now, with any luck, semi-controlled. Oh yeah, there we go. There's the loop. No matter how much you try to be tidy and clean, it always seems to be tranny fluid on your up your arm. All right.
there you have it, folks. I got to keep all my fingers. There's a 208 transfer case laying on the ground, ready for the next episode when we tear into that sucker and see exactly how bad that LS hurt it. If you like what you saw, please, by all means, hit the like and subscribe at the bottom, drop me a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'm Dave with the Lug Nut, reminding you to keep them torqued.